Welcome to the channel English Vinglish. Definition of absurd drama. The theater of the absurd is a kind of drama growing out of the philosophy of existentialism, that is, humans are free and responsible for their own actions in a world without meaning. Absurd theater flourished in Europe and America in the 1950s and 1960s. Absurdist dramas present characters struggling to find order and purpose in irrational and incomprehensible situations as well as feel the horror of the meaninglessness of life. The phrase absurd drama got its name from Martin Eslin's book The Theater of the Absurd, published in 1961. According to Eslin, the word absurd appears in Albert Camus' The Myth of Sisyphus, published in 1942, and absurd dramas arise from the disillusionment and loss of certainty as reflected in that work. In the dramas of Eugenio Ionesco, Samuel Beckett, Jean Genet, Harold Pinter, Fernando Arrabal, Edward Albee, and Arthur Kopit, characters find themselves buried in sand up to their armpits, submerged in a room full of proliferating furniture, standing interminably and for no purpose in a line, worked over by an interrogation team for no reason, or visited by friends who insist on staying with them indefinitely. Influenced by Dada, Expressionism, and Surrealism, the form and style of absurdist plays reflect their subject matter. Incidents do not tell a connected story, characters lack motivation, even the language is cryptic. There is an odd kinship between absurdist drama and farce, as if, in the theater of the absurd, the merciless and abusive situations of farce have been transformed into nightmares about the human condition. Like farces, absurdist plays are terribly funny until they are suddenly profoundly sad. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe the channel English Vinglish.